Hi guys, I am again back with a new review, and this time I went to DIY and got to see a few more interesting locks, guys. And these are my old locks, guys. So this is the lock for the gate, this is the lock for the inner door, this is lock for the storage room, guys. So when I went in the DIY, I just updated these all things. These are just like useless and stupid, and I didn't use this much, but yeah, got few better one, guys. So you can see the old logs, guys, and these are the new logs from DIY. So you can see it's too heavy and too hard, so I liked it. And this logs, I will tell you, from DIY are rust proof, made of true iron. They are heavy, they are saw, drill and hammer proof. So the internals are of good quality brass materials. Okay, the keys are iron, and they have given not one two but minimum four keys, guys. So as I will show you, guys. So old. Okay, this Cheru is here for any cat videos and cat food reviews, toy, home, everything review. You can check my the cat care channel, or else cat care list. So guys, this is our Indian locks. So it can get corrode easily, and internal are so bad quality. This is the biggest one, but you can see the internal just get dismantled easily. And guys, I once I was also in military school. So guys, one two this kind of locks are so easy to break. You can break it with a shoe or a simple stone, guys, if you know the technique. Or else you can take two wrench, keep here, and just squash the wrench. The whole lock will get destroyed. This is little bit strong, but yeah, applying little more force than this two, this is also easily breakable, guys. But I will show you guys the new locks which I have got. So guys, first brand is Blossom, guys. So you can see it is too heavy, guys, and if you will check it out, the security level is 10, that is the maximum, and rust level is 3, that is very good. And if you can see, the hardened steel rod is around 1.2 mm, so thick and so hard, guys. Awesome, guys, very awesome. Ball anchor, pin, tumbler, cylindrical, increase resistance to picking. So guys, you can already see that the mechanism is different, the keys are different, which the thief cannot pick so easily, guys. This is heavy. I to my old lock, guys, this is 5 to 6 times heavier than this, guys. And you can see here also it's written harden. So guys, this is just a damn heavy and damn quality product from Blossom, guys. I don't think so you can saw it, or you cannot do anything. You cannot saw it from the side, you cannot saw it from the above, guys, because this is so thick. I have first time saw such a thick what you say lock, and damn awesome, guys. You can see the symmetry is very good, and Blossom is a good company. So guys, this is the first. And can you guess the price of this, guys? As you know, this we get at 150 to 160 rupees, guys. So it was a DIY sale. I got it only for 180 rupees, guys, only for 180 rupees. And similar Blossom small lock was there, same smaller one, that was 250, guys. So it was just a good and great deal. You can see the MRP is 610. I got it for 180, guys. So it was damn awesome deal, guys. So sale you can grab still if the sale is going there before the Diwali, guys. So guys, this is the second lock. As you can see, the technique which I told you about, the wrench breaking, so it's already hardened from side, guys, and this is damn heavy, guys. If you will check the old, this is 10 times heavier than that, guys. Damn awesome. And you can see the mechanism, it opens from the back side. So, and you can see this is, as I said, the drill proof, guys. This is how the drill proof looks, and you can see the inside material is brass, guys. Good quality, damn. So you can see here, guys, so key, it cannot be opened by key, saw, wrench, even drill, you cannot drill it. And Price is 240 rupees guys, but I got in the sale, I got it only for 100 rupees guys. Awesome deal guys. And see, compare this thing. This is also rust proof and all the best top quality of theft proof. And this guys, this is just typical bakwas lock, and this are the future. And you can see it is written over here also harden. So harden, this is harden because you cannot use saw to cut it guys. It is very difficult to cut this part with the saw, any part actually. But yeah, normally thief try to cut this part, but no, this cannot also be cut guys. So guys, coming to the third lock guys, you can see what I was using for a storage, and you know anybody can break this. So guys, I have taken this one. So you can see guys, here it's a double lock, so such a small, and it's, yeah, definitely 15 times heavier than this, and quality. So you can see guys, security level is 6 for such a small lock. But wow guys, anti-rust, okay, this is anti-rust level 5 and 5 year warranty guys. Wow. So you can see guys, double ball protection. So guys, you can see here is that like, see, this is hardened steel shackle. The shackle is nickel plated. Oh shit, shackle is nickel plated guys. Steel shackle spring for rugged. So shackle spring is also steel. So iron body withstand any elements. Okay, dual locking mechanism. As I said, you can see here there are two locking mechanism in the so brass cylinder pins and spring for rust proof. So guys, such an awesome what we say lock from DIY guys. Hammer proof, saw proof. You can see here a double locking anti-corp. See, the keys are different guys. The keys are not like a typical key which can be easily made or which can be easily picked guys, which are all similar for all. But this guys, this all have a unique keys guys. And now I will tell you guys the price of this thing. Such a smart lock. You can see the symmetry. Wow. And it has given 4 key, and these keys are iron keys, not as small as simple keys which can be bent easily. These are very strong keys guys. I am already using the lock. You can see damn quality product. And you can see this is after a week or 2 week of keeping the lock in the rain guys. This was also kept in the rain for the same period, but no, nothing, it's just shining. I am giving the review after 2-3 months guys of this lock, but this is still as brand new guys. So guys, this, as I said, the MRP is 260 guys. In the sale I got this for only, believe it or not guys, I have got it only for 75 rupees guys. Yes guys, so these are all high tech, high end, top security, top rust proof locks, and this costed me all below 180 rupees. This was 180, this is 100, and this is 75 rupees guys. So DIY good things I got from your sale. And thanks guys to see the top end new locks, new high security locks guys. Thanks. I will add if anything I used to get I learned from this in the next video.